I want to talk to you about Industry 4.0. Right, the World Economic Forum calls it the fourth industrial revolution. It's us shifting into a digital reality, artificial intelligence, companies like Uber coming out of nowhere to change global industries. It's a crazy time. New rules, new opportunities. How are you going to get involved with Industry 4.0? And furthermore, how are you going to upgrade hundreds or maybe thousands of people and entire culture into this brave new world? We've built for you a journey that takes your people on a journey to become Talent 4.0, what we call the Leadapreneur. So let me take you through this journey. Number one, we're going to give to you an incredible speech that awakens your people's minds to the reality of Industry 4.0. Sometimes you need an outsider to come in and speak the truth to address the elephant in the room. Step two is going to be the online course. Why online course? Well, we know that a lot of people say online courses are, no one actually uses them, but ours is different. It's done in a beautiful hand-animated style, short 7-minute videos that are concise, and most importantly, we can offer it to your entire organization at the same time. Okay, so they've done the online course. What's step three? That's the workshop. Because now you're actually going to need the special forces, those key troops, those leadapreneurs to actually make the difference. Who's going to put their hand up and say, I'm ready to start leading this company forward? That's what the workshop is about. It's an opportunity for your top talent across all areas of your company to say, I'm going to come to a one-day workshop and really understand what it takes for me to become a leadapreneur and to really move into Industry 4.0. And that's where we take you to step 4, the Accelerator. The job of the Accelerator is to accelerate people and culture into Industry 4.0. It works by running on a 3-month cycle in which your people create, lead and deliver their own innovation and transformation projects. It doesn't have to be amazingly glamorous. It can be things like achieving your 12-month sales target in 3 months. It could be digitalizing key processes. But the point is, it gets done in 3 months. We don't talk about Agile, we make your people Agile by putting it into practice. Step 5 is ensuring that 30% of your people, yes, really 30%, need to become what we call level 3 leadapreneurs. Elite top talent that has the entrepreneurship, management, leadership, communication and collaboration skills that they need to succeed. Furthermore, we need to build a community around these guys and girls. A community that empowers them to not only do their normal business as usual, but spend time leading on the digital transformation that's going to make the difference to your company. And that's the Leadapreneur Journey. We go from speech to online learning, workshops, 3-month accelerator, to an 18-month program which combines the learning of an MBA with the value creation of an incubator. And as a result, within 2 to 3 years, Leadapreneur can enable your entire organization to not only move into Industry 4.0, but have the people and culture it needs to thrive. I hope that's been of value to you. We're really excited to work with the kind of companies that are really serious about this kind of transformation. And if you're one of those, hit us up, talk to us. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you.